Hello. Hi everyone. So in today's video, we are gonna learn how do we import CSV format file into our Databricks notebook, right? So we particularly use object, which is my Spark in this case by default, dot read dot CSV to read a CSV file, CSV format file into our Databricks notebook, right? So let's jump into the code real quick. If you can see my screen, so the first step which we do is bring the CSV file. We bring the CSV file into our environment, into the folder which we are working upon, right? So I'll just quickly go to the folder's name and then hover the cursor into the three dot and click that three dot. So we'll be getting multiple option there. There we'll get an import option. Click on import, click on browse, go to the folder where you have stored your CSV file. In my case, it's in downloads, right? Click on open and click on import. So this will basically import your CSV file from your local machine to the folder in the Databricks environment. Okay. Now let's write the code. So like I said, spark.read.csv is the method through which we read the CSV file in Databricks notebook, right? So what I'll do, I'll just write spark.read.csv. Okay. The next step is to put the path. Okay. And how do we get the path? So we'll just come here. We'll copy the path from here, copy URL path. We'll go to full path, copy it, come to this cell, paste it. Okay. This will give me the load command, and now we'll store it as df equals to this. So basically storing it as a df so that we can use easily df in further codes as well, right? Run this. Now second is I'll just call df dot show. Now dot show method is basically used to display the data set. That's all. So I'll use dot show over here and run this command as well. Like I said, we have displayed the data, but in the data we have one problem, and that problem is we have the headers already. Now Spark doesn't know that we have the headers in the CSV file. It by default chooses its header and outputs the wrong headers, right? We don't want C1, C2 dot dot dot. We want this as a header. So a little change in the read command, which is basically my headers equals to true. So this will help me to get the headers, right? The actual headers which were actually in the CSV file, right? Now we'll run this and rerun the dot show, which will give me the correct data as per CSV. So look here, we have the headers as per CSV and all the data is here, right? So this is for today. Thanks guys. I will see you in the next lecture.